Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for your Belgium visit visa. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am a government body nor I am an immigration consultant. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this the Embassy and Consulate of Belgium in India. So this is just a sample, like based on your location you can open the respective mission or consulate. So from there you are going to get the idea that how to apply from your location. So suppose if you are in India and you open this, so they have a link visa application. If you go here, they are gonna provide you the details. Look, and this one, the one in India is responsible for applicants in India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, the Maldives and Bhutan. So if you live in India, click here, then they have given the details. Okay, so now it's online. Okay, so what you have to do, visa application form short and long stay have to be filled out online and submit electronically to the VFS visa application center, VSC, VFS, whatever you say. You can find the details. So what you need to do, you need to go there, you need to fill, you need to create an account first, you need to fill the application form, and then you're going to get an email. Okay, then you need to print that form and sign, and you need to go to the visa application center along with the supporting documents and with the fee. Okay, and they will take your pictures and then they will submit it, and then if it is granted, you are good to go. And the account you create can be used for future visa applications as well. Alright, so standard fee, visa fee is 80 euro. Okay, required documents. So for if you are going for tourism, you can click on this link and they are gonna give you the checklist. So what are the things you need? National passport at least 3 months of validity, complete and signed application form with one recent color photograph, copy of the identity page of your passport and copy of the most recent. Okay, full detailed itinerary, copy of hotel reservation, then based on your situation, letter of employer stating your income and your vacation days allowed in. Okay, proof of sufficient personal finance. There are additional documents for minor. So let's go through it. We'll open the online link first where we are gonna create the account and submit. So this is the one. Okay, alright, so the very first thing is to create an account. So if this is your first time, you're gonna click not yet registered, and it is gonna ask you to submit this register for it. So I'm gonna put some values here. So what happens is once you register, it sends an email to you, and that will have the link, and from there you are gonna verify your account and do the password active creation. Okay, so I have logged in. So basically we get a link in the email that we have to click, and we come here, and then from here we can create a password, and now it's good. So we can click on go back to login. So I'm gonna once you log in, this is what you see, where it says complete and print your electronic application form. This is what we have seen earlier also. Make an appointment. Okay, and this appears once you submit the application. For countries where user Belgium is an external service provider, the application generally lodged at the authorized center for the deposit of visa applications. Okay, that we have already seen. Lodging of the application, so we have already seen this. Okay, now let's go through this link. So first you need to select the visa type. Let's say you're going for tourism, 90 days. It is asking you to read this. Okay, and once you read, you select this and you click on approve. So now we can see it over here. What are the things they need? So first is basic information. Some fields are auto generated, some you have to select. Let me see if I have English here. I don't know why it happened, but anyway, location, so wherever you are submitting it. Okay, yeah, so as it is outsourced to VFS, you can select that. If you are a family member of EU, EA or Switzerland citizens, you can select this. Otherwise, you need to provide your name, other information, nationality, marital status. Other nationalities, if you have travel document like your passport detail, home address, current occupations. Let me see what are the options we have. Okay, travel information, visa type, main purpose of your stay. This is not yet. Okay, yeah, now it has been loaded. Leisure, whatever is your tourist travel. Yeah, and whichever questions are mandatory, you have mandatory mark. Whichever are not, they are not having any mark. Member state of first entry, number of entries requested. So these are the common questions that we see in every Schengen visa application. Previous visa, previous fingerprints, if you have done, you need to provide that info. If you have been invited, then you need to provide. Now financing, like who is financing you? So if I select visa applicant, you need to provide, and if anything other, that also you can provide. Okay, so now once you are done, you have the submit link. You are gonna click on submit, and after that the process we have already discussed. Now I'm gonna open the VFS site. So now I opened the VFS site as well, and the same information is available here as well. First identify your visa, that we already know. You can download this form, complete it, print a complete or fill it along with OK. Book an appointment, pay your fee, visit, track application. Yeah, same steps. Now if I go here, select the visa type. Here is the online application form. Okay, processing time, photo specification, document required. So you have already seen that. Alright guys, so I hope now you like this, and I hope this has made sense to you. Please let me know your feedback by commenting. Thanks for watching.